Hello students. In this video, you'll be seeing how to draw an isometric cube. The goal of the assignment is to draw a cube that looks like this. Let's begin by doing the setup that we learned in the previous video. You need to have about half of your page to be able to do this properly. So I've positioned my origin point, drawing my horizon line, position my protractor, mark my angles. The second time through, I will mark all three of them at the same time. For this drawing, the axis of all our lines are going to be 2 inches long. Okay, at this point, you should have completed the isometric setup. From here, we're now going to go ahead and draw lines that are parallel to the z-axis. To do this, we need to make sure that we draw these lines at 90 degrees to the horizon, just like we had in the past. So, to accomplish this, we're going to take our protractor and we're going to lay the hole over top of the end line. We're going to make sure that the horizon line is parallel to the original horizon line down here. In this case, it also lines up with the blue line on my paper. I'm going to go ahead and mark 90 degrees. And now draw a 2-inch line . As you can see now, the lines look parallel and they are of same length. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. You can see now that I have 2 lines drawn that run parallel to the z-axis. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw lines that are parallel to x and y to close off the sides of the isometric cube. You want to check your measurements to make sure that you're 2. But if you've done everything right to this point, the distance should already be determined for you. Now there's only one step left to go, and that is to draw the top. We need to draw a line that is parallel to the y-axis. To do this, we're going to use the same 30-degree angle that we did here, that's been replicated here, and now one more time. We're going to put our protractor at the corner of z and x. We're going to make sure that the horizon line is parallel. I'm going to mark at 30 degrees. And now I'm going to draw a 2-inch line along that. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. Now, if you have everything correct, it should simply just match up. And there you have your completed isometric cube. If you have any questions, please see your teacher.